How to use Logo AI, the AI logo generator. To begin, head over to Logo AI by clicking the link provided in the description below to gain easy access to the tool we'll be using. Once there, log into your account or use your Google account to sign in. You will be redirected to the Logo AI dashboard. Here, you can start creating your logo by clicking on the Let's Make a Logo button and input your logo name and slogan. Logo AI offers a wide range of categories to choose from. Select the category that best represents your business or website. Select the design elements for your logo. Logo AI provides a wide range of icons, fonts, and shapes to choose from. Once you have chosen your desired design elements, click Generate to start generating your logo. Choose a generated logo and start customizing them to match your brand's style. Logo AI allows you to adjust the size, color, and positioning of the elements. You can also add text, change fonts, and tweak other visual aspects to make your logo truly unique. As you make changes, Logo AI provides a real-time preview of your logo, so you can see how it looks before finalizing it. This helps you make informed decisions and ensures that you're happy with the result. Once you're satisfied with your logo design, click the Save. Your logo will be instantly downloaded to your computer, ready to be used on your website, social media, business cards, and other branding materials.